Welcome to this video presentation of IT documentation capabilities in ITSM360. Specific IT documentation means documentation related to a particular IT system. We will navigate to the list of business systems or services that are part of our IT portfolio. We have it here. You will have a connected SharePoint document library for each IT system. We see the File folder option. The document library folder is created by automation when you create a new system, and you can add templates to it or preload templates for your specific IT documentation. Let's see some examples of a document related to the IT system. Leveraging in-build SharePoint options to your IT system inside the ITSM system makes it easy to navigate and find the correct set of documents related to the system. As you see, these are standard Office documents tied into the system, and you can use SharePoint permissions and workflows for the specific documents. If you have documentation that is not suitable for a document, you still have SharePoint to help you. We see how you can connect necessary metadata related to your IT system in SharePoint along with the IT documentation files you have. We hope you enjoyed our IT documentation teaser and how we work with specific IT documentation related to a core IT business system. Contact us for a personal demo.